Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Free Fire game. For that you need to open your app and then it will start to download its resources, and it might take few seconds because it's 18 MB, and if your network is faster it will be in just few seconds, and I guess my network is slow today, so it's taking a lot of time. And then it will ask you for some permission to send you notification. If you want notification from them, tap on this allow button, and if you don't, just tap on don't allow button. And after you give them permission, it will ask you to track your activities and allow it or don't allow. It's up to you guys. And now what you need to do is you need to sign in with your Facebook or your Apple, and you can also sign up with your VK ID, Google and X, but also with your X account. And I'm going to sign up with my Google account and then tap on continue button, and then it will open this website and show me my multiple accounts. And you need to do and now you need to choose your Gmail account if you have got multiple accounts, and it will ask for some access about your name, profile picture and email address, and after that tap on continue button. That is how you can sign up into your Free Fire. And it will now it will ask you to enter your nickname, and after you name yourself, tap on let's go button, and this is our UID and this is our username. And now it will ask you to pick one of the option, and after that tap on start button. And when you sign up, it will give you a gift as a newcomer, and tap on that to get yours, and it will also give you some gold. And that is how you can sign up into your Free Fire game. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.